Good morning, everybody. It is Michelle here. This is my 12th vlog, and today I'm going on a hiking trip with my club members, and I'm probably gonna hang out with my friend. So welcome to the vlog, and I will see you guys in a bit. Okay.
In half a mile, take exit 4A toward College Avenue.
Nature. What's up, vlogger? Just over here recording shit. Oh, so cute.
I want to jump. I feel like if I jump, I'm going to slip. Oh my god.
Finally back to the cars.
Watch him make.
You are on the fastest.
I made it home with my baby.
Omega Excel puede costar más de $60, pero con nuestra oferta es que si lo pierdes tienes que volver a empezar.
Bien bailarina.
Sacar todo, volver a meter otro cable para jalar, volver a jalar. Trabajas el triple.
Yeah. Hey, ugly.
You ugly. She was saying herself she's ugly?
I'm telling you.
Hey, I'm the Whopper.
Oh.
Whopper Jr. Whopper Jr. Yeah.
Hello everybody, so I know I'm back to where I did my intro, but yeah. Okay, so the vlog is over. It is time to get ready for bed, so I'm just gonna shower, then brush my teeth, then go to bed. So this is the end of this vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Please comment, subscribe, like, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.